Web Development Course in Chennai. Aimore Technologies. Chennai. Essential Role and Importance of Testing in the Software Development Life Cycle, SDLC. Introduction to SDLC and Testing. In the Software Development Life Cycle, SDLC, testing is a critical phase, ensuring solutions align with customer requirements. It spans requirements analysis, validation in software requirements specification, SRS, architectural design, and coding adhering to best practices. Testing aims to identify and rectify flaws, contributing to high-quality software. Importance of testing in SDLC. Testing is vital in SDLC for early issue identification, improving final products, and validating both functional and non-functional features. It enhances software quality, preventing post-implementation complications. Maintenance services are streamlined through rigorous testing, ensuring a robust end product. Software testing models in SDLC. DLC incorporates diverse testing models like waterfall, V-shaped, agile, iterative, incremental, and prototyping. Each model offers unique advantages and caters to specific project requirements, influencing the overall development and testing approach. Types of testing in SDLC. The various types of testing include user acceptance testing for requirement validation, unit testing for individual components, integration testing for combined modules, and systems testing for a holistic integrated system evaluation. Aimore, leading software training center. Aimore, a premier training center in Chennai, offers career-specific courses in Python, Selenium, AWS, Java, Tableau, Power BI, Angular, web designing, DevOps, software testing, full-stack Python, and Java developer courses, data analysis, and PHP. These courses cater to industry needs, providing comprehensive skill development for aspiring professionals.